What's up guys, Christian here. Welcome back to the channel, and today's video we're going to talk about these two products from UGREEN. Both are fast chargers and they're using the latest technology GaN, which is the gallium nitride, which is a next generation semiconductor that replaces silicon and enables energy efficiency and high power in a very small size and lightweight. Alright, so let's start by unboxing this. Alright, so we're going to unbox the wall charger first. Alright, so inside the box we have some instruction manuals and like some overview of the product, and of course we have the charger itself. This is way compact than what I've seen online or some of the GaN chargers that I've seen. It's a 100 watts GaN charger. It's using the 3-pin UK plug, and also at the back there are like 4 ports. So 4 ports being USB C1, C2, C3, and USB-A. Each of them has different power output. So the first two in the top, which is a C1 and a C2, this can produce, or the output is actually 100 up to 100 watts. And the bottom type C, which is a C3, and the USB-A, the maximum output is 22.5 watts. To be honest, I'm pretty much happy with the chargers that I'm using, but the best thing, or the only thing I would like to have, is a charger like this that has multiple plugs, especially if you are actually traveling, or if you want to tidy up your desk. This is the way to go, because you can have charger for your phones, your tablets, and also your computer, your laptop. You can actually charge it over here. And it would not overheat, which I'm going to test as well. And yep, let's go to the next product. We have the wall or the desk charger. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, all right. It seems that this is also from also having 4 ports as well. Okay, all right. So first thing we see here is the wall charger. It looks like it's like the size of the Apple TV. Look at that, it's just a square. I'll have the dimensions in the description below, and at the back you'll have the plug that goes into your power source, and it also has 4 ports, which is USB C1, C2, C3, and USB-A. So the same as the other one, the USB C1 and C2 both output up to 100 watts, and the C3 and the USB-A with a maximum output of 22.5 watts. I must say that this desk charger has a pretty nice touch in it. I like the way it's being designed. At the bottom there are like rubbers to keep it from moving, to make it to make it stay in place, and also they have that groove at the top, which is an additional touch to its design. Alright, so it also comes with the user manual, and inside on the other box, on the other side of this box, we have, I believe this is the wall plug. Okay, so we have a very thick wall plug, highly insulated, and it is made well, and it also has like a Velcro strap to keep the cable in place, so it's very easy for you to tidy up. Alright, so we're going to test these two chargers, and yeah, let's see how good it is. Alright, let's go. Okay, for this chargers you need to have your own USB-C to USB-C. I only have 2 of these. It would be nice if they probably included at least one of that inside a box. That would be very good. So I have this USB-C to USB-C, and I also have one more for my laptop. Okay, let's put this product into test. We're gonna plug and charge the product. I've tested these two chargers. I've been charging my Xiaomi Pad 5 and also my MacBook Pro and also my phone. I'm using the Mi 10. And so far it's been charging it quite well. It's charging as a fast charge, as a quick charge, because for these two devices it could go up to like turbocharge as what the Xiaomi has for its charger, but it's good enough, especially if I'm traveling. I can charge multiple devices at the same time and it doesn't heat up at all. Once you touch it, it doesn't feel that it is like charging multiple devices. It's still pretty good. And by the way, if you're interested, feel free to check the links in the description below. And these are quite good, quite reliable chargers. And they are a good charger, especially if you are looking for GaN chargers. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.